Hi, I'm Cleo. I'm a longtime tutor and a test prep expert with Study.com. Today we're focusing on the Praxis exam 5091, which is an exam in physical education that covers different subtopics. So today's sample problems focus specifically on the subtopic of collaboration, reflection, and technology. We have a few sample problems for you. We're going to work through them together now. Thank you for joining. Here we go. All right, problem one is asking us, how might teachers accurately measure a student's distance walked or run? Okay, well, to measure distance, there are devices that do that. So let's look at the answer choices. By inferring based on a student's fitness level, by using a heart rate monitor, by using a pedometer, or by asking students to self-report and measure their own activity. The best thing that we can do is use a pedometer. That counts steps and can be used to measure the distance that has been walked or run. All right, now for problem two, the question asks, what type of e-learning allows students to engage with the materials or lessons at different times? Blended learning, individual learning, asynchronous learning, or synchronous learning. We're looking for the option that will let students engage with the materials in a self-paced sort of format on their own time. And the best answer for that is asynchronous learning. Asynchronous would mean sort of out of synchronicity, right? So at their own pace. Great. All right, problem three, the question is asking, what do you call a process of combining content areas to improve cognition? Integrative framework, integrative instruction, cross-curricular instruction, or cross-curricular framework? Well, our best answer is integrative framework, because that means that that's an approach that teachers use, a way that teachers can integrate other content areas into physical education instruction. Integrative framework. Problem four. Imagine a circumstance in which a PE teacher experiments with a new activity, but after most of the students do not perform as well as the teacher desired, the teacher makes a note to themselves about not repeating the activity. In the model of human behavior developed by Arthur Bandura, which factor or factors do the students primarily represent in this instance? Person and environment, P and E, B behavior and E environment, or P person? Well, the students in this scenario, if we're according to we're modeling this based on the Bandura model, the factor which influences the teacher to change their mind is the behavior of the students, the B. So that would be our answer, B behavior, because that behavior is, based on things such as their skill, their endurance, the results for them. The P, the person, is referring to the cognition. So in this scenario, that would be represented. That would be representing the teacher, since they're thinking about what they are seeing, and then the behavior that they're seeing is causing them to make adjustments. Hey, thanks so much for doing those problems with me. I hope they were useful. If you'd like to find some more review, you can check out our other videos here, or you can make your way over to study.com. And as a member there, you'll find that you have access to hundreds of sample problems like the ones that we just did together, as well as specific instruction and lesson plans based on targeted topics you might want to review, and strategy to help you prepare for test day and boost your score. If you'd like to follow along, you can like and subscribe so you stay updated. And also, please feel free to reach out and leave us a comment to let us know if there are specific topics you'd like us to review, which we haven't yet covered. We'd really love to hear your thoughts on that. Good luck and happy studying.